In modern manufacturing, packaging is not merely the final stage of production, but also a critical factor influencing product quality and brand image. Our sock bagging machine is specifically designed for efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and standardized packaging. The automatic bag opening system operates with precision and speed, ensuring a seamless packaging process and eliminating delays caused by manual handling. The automatic feeding conveyor safely and reliably transports socks to the bagging station, enhancing efficiency while ensuring consistent packaging results. Precision-controlled sealing and cutting blades ensure a secure seal and clean cut. This guarantees both safety and reliability while delivering a professional and elegant appearance. Every step is meticulously designed, with socks and packaging bags tightly integrated, featuring secure seals and a neat appearance that fully showcases professional packaging results. The finished products feature a uniform, clean, and aesthetically pleasing appearance. This not only facilitates storage and transportation, but also enhances the retail display effect, boosting market competitiveness. Simple to operate and low in maintenance costs, the sock bagging machine effectively reduces manual labor intensity, delivering genuine efficiency gains and cost savings for customers. At Bao has been dedicated to the packaging industry for years, providing not only equipment but also committed to creating efficient and reliable packaging solutions for our customers. Our sock bagging machine ensures that every pair of socks, from production to packaging, reflects quality and value.